Let me tell you something. Here, people have the wrong attitude. The attitude is what? The attitude is, when I do Dharma work, you be nice to me. The Dharma Center be nice to me. The Guru be nice to me. Everybody be nice to me. If you're not nice to me, I helped you. I sponsored. I did this. I did that. And I'm very angry because I was nice to you. Let me tell you something. In the Buddhist world, the real attitude is what? Is, if you do Dharma work, the Guru is doing you a favor. The center is doing you a favor. The 3 jewels are doing you a favor. If you donate some money and you're not happy afterwards and you throw a BF, then your attitude of collecting merit was wrong. You will not collect merit. Just karma. Why? How can you get angry at the 3 jewels? If you do some Dharma work and you read and you meet a monster in the center who was mean to you, and then you say, I did all this Dharma work and I'm going to go away because they're not nice to me. Look, the Buddha, the Dharma, and Sangha, and your Guru offer you an opportunity to collect merit to do Dharma. Not you are doing them a favor. You are collecting merit to them. So if you make prostrations to Lama Tsongkhapa, and you help Lama Tsongkhapa in the center, and you do it to spread Lama Tsongkhapa to others, and you collect merit, then the next day if someone says something bad to you, say, I'm not going to do it, it's bad, I regret helping the center, I'm going away, I'm going to another one, you're directly scolding Lama Tsongkhapa. Directly. Very, very clear. So say, hey, I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm too busy. I have problems. I have difficulties. I'm going away. I'm running away. Let me have my freedom. Let me do this and this. You're directly scolding Lama Tsongkhapa. Why? All this time, who were you serving? The Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha? Or trying to get on your Guru's good side? Who were you serving? So if you say you collected merit, it must be in relation to a Buddha. If you collected merit, it must be you think your Guru is a Buddha, Tsongkhapa, so it's the same thing, what? If you don't think of your Guru as a Buddha and you're working for the Guru, then you're not collecting merit, just good karma. So if you're not thinking about the Guru, you're thinking about Lama Tsongkhapa. If you think correctly and you do work, you're collecting merit. So then when you're not unhappy, you can scold Lama Tsongkhapa. You can say, I'm not going to do Dharma work. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to show up. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to go here. I'm not happy with them. I'm angry. I'm pissed off. Then when the Dharma people give you work and you don't finish on time, you don't finish correctly, and you have to be pushed and you have to be cajoled, you call that Dharma work? You call that Dharma work. Then when you tell people, oh, I've been doing this, I'm busy, I couldn't finish, and you let people down in the Dharma, you disappoint people in the Dharma. And you do it because of your selfishness, your lack of responsibility, and your complete absorption into things that are not important. Your desire, your indulgences, and then you don't finish your commitments. And then you tell people, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, people will be nice. They'll say, never mind. But the karma is very strong. Very, very strong. Why is the karma very strong? If the karma for doing negative things is not strong, then the karma for doing positive things cannot be strong either. It's very logical. It cannot be just you praying from the Buddha, you get luck, you do something bad to the center or the Lama or the Dharma or the Sangha, you get nothing, you don't get anything bad. Cannot be. So if I go up to the Prime Minister and offer him fruits and congratulate him for his wedding, it's very nice. If I go up there and give him a slap, you think there's nothing bad? Think about it. The Prime Minister is the Prime Minister. We do something bad, it's extra bad. If we do something good, it's extra good. Why? He represents our whole country. Similarly, Lord Buddha, Lama Tsongkhapa represents the whole field of enlightenment. So when we do something for the Dharma, we should think that we are being given a chance to do something good, where we have been given a chance. We're doing a favor to ourselves, not we're doing a favor to the Guru or to the Dharma or to the Sangha or to the center. No. We are not doing a favor to the Dharma. The Dharma is doing a favor to us to allow us to work for the Dharma. If you think like that, your mind will transform and the merits will become strong and very powerful. And you will be very loyal to your center. You'll be very loyal to your Lama. You'll be loyal to your lineage and your practice. And that loyalty will equate to stability. And then you'll see the attainments come. So how? One shouldn't think that you're doing the Dharma a favor. The Dharma is doing you a favor by being existent and existing for you to collect merit, for you to transform, for you to do work to help others. So your attitude should not be, I'm doing the Dharma a favor, but the Dharma is doing me a favor. That's why in Buddhist countries that are very strong, we don't scold the lamas, we don't criticize. We don't talk against the monks. Never. We don't scold. Why? Because we know that they're doing us a favor. But in countries like this where Buddhism is not strong, the mind is very materialistic. Anything go wrong, we spoil the lama. We scold the lamas. Even centers can scold other centers. Even centers can scold other centers' lamas. Very bad karma. Very bad. Directly and indirectly. Centers like that, we should not encourage. We should just stay away. We don't talk about them, we stay away. We don't send people there. We don't ask people to go there. We don't do anything. We just keep quiet. They ask us, oh, I don't know. Why? Why feed it? I don't feed it. I don't contribute to it. I don't feed it. I just leave it alone. Even centers can criticize other centers' lamas. Unheard of. Unheard of. Because I'm with my lamas. I'm in a monastery such as Gandhin. And Gandhin has so many elite masters. So many just in one place. It's a bastion of elite masters. I've never heard of one master telling another master or another student, don't go to that one, don't go to this one, that one's good, that one's not good, don't go to that. Never. Never. And these are monks, and these are high lamas. Even high lamas who know ordinary teachers have some faults. They don't criticize the students of these ordinary teachers. But here, I hear from centers. One center criticizing another center, one center criticizing another lama, and some centers even use political means to isolate other centers by saying they don't follow the Dalai Lama. They don't follow the correct lineage. They don't follow the correct practice. How can they do that? No one can judge that. No one can judge anyone's heart. That one must keep quiet. Why? If we're supposed to be very kind to spirits and ghosts and hantus and develop compassion, shouldn't we be compassionate to other Dharma practitioners and other Dharma centers? And if other Dharma centers are going the wrong way, inverted commas, we should be even more kind to them. By kindness, they'll come the right way, not by isolating them and pushing them away and saying negative things about them and adding to negative comments. This one is against Buddha's teachings. Why? You damage people. You hurt people. You make them lose faith and confidence. Then they lose faith and confidence, they come to your center and they join your center. They joined your center not out of refuge and love and care and the right reason, out of fear, out of you creating schism. So if you join other people's center because they created schism, you didn't join them for the right, eventually you'll leave or something will happen. Or in your center there'll be schism. Or on a huge level, your center's teacher will not be able to manifest their incarnations. Something will go wrong with their incarnations. Why? The karma of the people creating schism will come back, that their teachers cannot manifest in the future. That will happen. That's happened in Tibet many times. Cannot. Why? Karma has effect, unless the Buddha is wrong. Cannot.